Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to solve logarithmic equations. So, there's two key things we're going to look at for logarithmic equations. One of them is, again, just like with exponentials, the definition of the logarithm. But we're also going to want to look at properties of logarithms. So, a problem that we're going to look at here is going to be the log base 3 of 2x minus 1 minus the log base 3 of x minus 4 is equal to 2. So the first thing we're going to look at here is we have subtraction of logarithms. So that means we can combine them into one logarithm with division under the quotient property. So I get log base 3 of 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 4 is equal to 2. And now is where I apply the definition of the logarithm. I get 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 4, and I totally redundantly put parentheses there. There's no need for it at this point. That equals 3 to the second. So now I will get rid of those parentheses and also simplify 3 squared. So I have 2x minus 1 over x minus 4 is equal to 9. I now multiply both sides by x minus 4. So I get 2x minus 1 is equal to 9 times x minus 4. I can distribute the 9. So I get 2x minus 1 is equal to 9x minus 36. So I can now solve this for x. I'll first subtract 2x from both sides. And now I'll go ahead and add 36 to both sides. And now I can divide both sides by 7. So I get 5 is equal to x. Now, one thing we need to be careful of when we're working with logarithms is that we can't take the log of a negative number. So, because of that, anytime we get a solution out of this, we need to go back to our original equation and plug it back in. So, I'll do that here. So we get log base 3 of 2 times 5 minus 1 minus log base 3 of 5 minus 4. And we want to know if that's equal to 2. So we have log base 3 of 9 minus log base 3 of 1. Log base 3 of 9 is 2. Log base 3 of 1 is 0. And indeed, 2 equals 2, so we check. Therefore, 5 equals x is the solution to this equation. You will see cases in here that you'll get an answer that's not true. We'll see some examples of that in class on Friday. But this one, it just happened to work out. The only solution we got was true. So that's all we're going to look at from section 5.5. Section 5.6, we're going to take a look at some applications of exponentials and logarithms.